To support youth voices on their journey to become climate leaders is to inspire a movement with the power to change the world. Our planet is in peril. Rising tides and temperatures, dangerous storms, and disappearing ecosystems. A small coastal town in Maine was witnessing this firsthand, so we turned to our local youth.
And we showed up.
In just 1 year, the climate initiative has gone from grassroots to global.
Educating, empowering, and activating students from coast to coast.
Supported by passionate educators, adult allies, climate experts, and philanthropists, TCI is elevating our generation's voice for the most important issue in our lifetime.
We're here, hopeful, and hungry for change. TCI is on our way to reach 10 million youth by 2025.
Join us and learn more.
Add your voice and speak up.
Take action and create solutions.
Because what we stand to lose is staring us squarely in the face. And we are the movement staring back.